green room.
your pretty girly green room.
Without the cockroaches.
Cockroach.
You can't fight.
He's in his little cocoon. I just see a hand. You're mean. All I see is a hand sticking out.
His head's right here.
Oh.
Oh my god. That's not it.
Ow.
No hairspray.
Oh, look
Whoa.
at mommy all pretty. Ooh.
In my own bathroom. Where no one else is allowed. It's gone. Mine?
Mine.
Mine.
You're so pretty.
Thank you.
Look at this hot mess.
This is what it is.
I wrestled that raccoon last night.
Yeah, you did.
It's really bad.
Yeah, we're about to leave unless you're staying here.
Where are you going?
Daddy said go get something to eat.
Eating a Pop-Tart.
He said he's gonna go get something to eat.
Well, he's eating a
Not
Pop-Tart.
outside.
Whatever. Move out. Seriously.
We're being
Be gone.
banned.
Yeah, you're banned. Be
Let's
gone.
go bust daddy.
Oh, now we gotta go down them again.
Do. Mommy says she thought you said we're going out to eat.
You guys never eat breakfast.
I do.
I usually eat just a biscuit and that's it.
Well, there's a Pop-Tart over there.
Pop-Tart.
We'll just eat an early lunch. Just eat a
Then
snack
that'll be
for now.
brunch.
Really, really early.
That's Waffle House.
Oh my, one bourbon.
And there's orange juice in the container. So what you can do, drink your water, and you cut this down, and you can pour it in the thing and get a cup.
Or you can use the cups right there.
You can find something to wash them with.
Soap and water.
Oh, there goes Puppy.
Oh, there he is.
Hey!